It's Western GQ, full of passion with a whole lot of fashion. Now, in this segment, we're going to talk about cowboys. Cowboys back in the day used to wear those overalls, those muddy boots, those straw hats, right? Those burlap shirts back in the day. But now, it's a new day. It's off into the luxury style. In this segment, we're going to talk about luxury style Western GQ cowboys. Hey, enjoy the show. Western GQ, for the passion and a whole lot of fashion.
How you play the game with the people that writing the rules ain't the fame that I'm after.
Got that effect. Now, yeah, see, both y'all like that cold-blooded Jack. Boy, look at it. Ain't that cool? That's cool. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy, man. Look, I'm a cowboy. Cowboy ain't supposed to dress like this. Cowboy's supposed to have on overalls. Cowboy's supposed to have on a straw hat, some muddy boots, right? He's supposed to be smelling. Who told you that, man? Y'all better get with it. Man, I'm an AI cowboy. AI just created me. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Boy, is that now school one time, man. Y'all want to go a little bit higher with the fashion. Lawrence said, he won the church fashion contest thanks to Western GQ, which means he came to our little class segment, right, and used some of the things that I told. Am I right about it, man? That's what this channel is all about. Use it, take it, you know what I'm talking about? Run with it. Yes, sir, he said. See that, man? Boy, I gotta take a bow now. I appreciate it. Yeah. So if he really like that, right? He gonna love these orange boots. I gotta put these boots on. Hold on, I gotta show you the boots, man. I gotta show you the boots. I gotta show you the boots. See? Boy, you see how color dominates black? See, the black is good. The black is cool. See? The black is good. But the color dominates it. It dominates it. Blue to be say, hey, D-Rich, it dominates it, folk chap. It dominates it, Lewis. It dominates it, man. It dominates it. Hey, it dominates it. See? The black is good. Look, the black is good. I'm gonna hide the blue. Hide the orange. See, the black is good. But that orange, ooh. Let me show you. It dominates it. Boy, look at that. Whew. Janet said, showcase. It's the Western GQ. Full of passion with a whole lot of fashion. Man. That's beautiful, D-Rich. It's beautiful. See, that's why I'm really putting the pedal to the metal to let y'all know that, hey man, black is beautiful. And white is funky, right? It is. But you put that color on, right? It changes dimensions of fashion. Color changes the whole total dimension or dimensions of your fashion. Janet said yes. Anita said she loves the look. Fochep said you're a very creative person. Yes. I appreciate that, Fochep. I do. I appreciate that. That leaves room for me maybe to put on my blue ones. Ooh, that blue looks good. Blue or black? Blue or black, y'all? Y'all tell me which one you like. Blue or black? Blue or black? Yes, it does, now y'all to say. Hey, y'all, summer, Resident GQ Fashion, discuss style and orange, yes. And check this out, man. Check this out, y'all. I went online and I looked up a few things. Thank you, Jazzo. Thank you, baby girl. I went online and I looked up a few things about the color orange. And I'm just gonna read them out to you, okay? I'm gonna see if I can find this and read some of this out to you about the color orange. Orange is a dynamic color. Yes. Yes, orange is a powerful color. It said, orange. Let me read what it says, verbatim. It says, orange represents the glow of the sunrise over the ranch land. That soft but bold light that cowboys wake up to. Talk about the sun, all right? Western GQ celebrates that refined cowboy lifestyle, and the orange brings that warm, confident sunrise energy. The color orange does that. It's a statement of confidence and class. That's what it says about orange, right? It says that orange and styling with orange is a luxury color. I'm just reading what AI said about orange. See, y'all probably didn't even know that, right? It gives that smooth, sharp, confident look without being loud. Get you some orange, man. Get you some orange. So you can dominate your fashion with orange, man. It's a lost color. People are afraid of it. Why? Because they think it's loud. It is loud, but not too loud. It's quiet, luxury. It gives confidence, right? It's a awakening color. I didn't say that. AI said that. Let's say a few more things about what AI said, okay? Yes. It brings flavor and warmth. Need to come on out there, Jazzo. She got to get ready to go. You gotta say hi to my girl. She came in all the way from Fort Worth to see her boy. Thanks for coming on in here. Your mom out there? Tell her don't go nowhere. We almost done with the live. Tell her. Y'all gotta go. All right, let me tell them about it. Tell you gotta go. Give me some love, baby. Give me some love. You watching on TikTok? You have TikTok?
No, we don't. No, right?
I gotta send it to you. Already. Man, that is so cold-blooded to me. These are my good friends, man. Her daughter don't own TikTok, don't have the app. They drove all the way down here just to witness the Western GQ show. And I really appreciate that kind of love. That's love, man. That's what I'm talking about. That's love. Now Yoda said, what's going on? Now Yoda, listen. We're gonna showcase one more style, right? We had a yellow, we had a black, right? We got an orange, right? Now, what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to really take this thing to the next level. Now last time I put this jacket on, right? We had on camouflage pants, right? We had on a real camouflage orange shirt, right? But I want y'all to see the beauty of this jacket, right? With Wranglers in a professional look. Not no outdoor look, but a professional look. Let me show you how you can get away with camouflage, right? Let me show you. We're gonna take this off, right? I'm gonna show you something. This is gonna be real cool. This is for some of our new visitors, right? I'm gonna show you how to take your fashion to a whole different level, right? We're gonna take off the vest, okay? Let's take off the vest. Let's take it off, right? We're gonna take off the shades, right? Take the shades off, right? And we're gonna put our black ones back on. Why? Well, because the black identifies with the belt. Look at that. See? You see how, man, black is a beautiful color. Lauren said he done cleared out his entire hip-hop wardrobe for the Western GQ fashion. Man, let me take a bow to that dude right there. That dude right there, man, is paying attention. He likes this fashion. He likes it. He likes it. Boy, I appreciate the compliment, my brother. Yes, sir. It's an ugly friend. Now check this out. A lot of y'all are gonna like this, what I'm about to do. But some of y'all might not like it, right? Now, I showed this a little bit earlier through the week, but I gotta show it again with the fashion. Earlier I showed it in a combat, army type situation, but this jacket right here, I just love this jacket, boy. I love this jacket. Look at this on. I'm gonna show you something. Look at that. I gotta show you to you again. Look at that. Man, that's fashion. Boy. Man. I'm just trying to show you. See? Hat Ghost said, man, in the words of Pops, you have to coordinate. You gotta be able to coordinate your fashion. Look at that. That's fashion. Look, that's fashion. Man. Boy. Yes. It's fashion. Yes, it is. It is fashion. Full of passion. And a whole lot of fashion. Ah, yes, it is. Look, it's fashion. Now, check it out. When I go out tonight, right? When I go out tonight, ain't nobody gonna look like me. Most people say, hey man, that dude got a costume on. He wearing a costume. Ha ha ha. I say, yeah, I am. I am. In your eyes, right? I am. This is something that a lot of people would be afraid to do. They won't wear no stuff like this. Right? But they're clothes. See, some of you guys' eyes haven't been accustomed to nothing but clothes. But when you take your clothes to another level, right, to identify it, people say it's a costume. I take that. It is a costume to you, but it's my everyday look to me, see? To you, it may be a costume. Louis loved it on, see? Cole said, coordinate, right? You gotta coordinate. See, it's fashion, Fochep said. It is fashion. Man, I told somebody this the other day. On Halloween night, they had a cold-blooded Halloween costume party. I'm talking about, man, I just got the flyer, just happened to drive by there, just wanted to be nosy and see what it's about. Man, I got out there, man, it was free to get in. I'm talking about, I saw monsters, I saw waitresses, airline stewardess in their costumes, right? I saw rappers. I said, people had all these costumes on, Draculas and Herman the Monsters, and it was amazing. So I said, man, I keep on the costume. I just got out of the car, man, went on and on, said, come on through, man. I like the costume. I said, I appreciate it, man. He didn't even know I had one at the work today, see? See, the stuff that I do, you know, most people think they costumes. But it's my everyday. That's a true story now, Yoda. It's true. Almost said, say, man, I like that costume, man. You sure clean. Come on in, bro. I said, I sure appreciate it, man. And gave him one of my business cards. Yeah, that's what he told me. But it's my lifestyle. Hey, you'll be amazed. Color dominates, man. Right? I've showed you time and time again, and I'm showing you again, even with this pink and black, right? It dominates it. Yes. So what you want to do, you want to be comfortable in what you put on. See? What you may call an outfit, I may call a costume.